How to convert PNG to JPG in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert PNG to JPG in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is select the photo that you want to convert. Simply choose the photo. You can select them. You can select multiple photos as well. And after you select the photo, you'll need to long press on it and you'll see a copy option. Tap on copy. After you do that, you can leave your Photos app and then head over to your Files app. On your Files app, you can head over to any location. You can even create a new location if you'd like to. I'll just create a new folder here and get inside it. Now long press here and then paste the picture. Now on the top right, you will see three dots. Tap on it and choose the select option and select the image that you want to convert. Now on the bottom right, you will see three dots. Tap on that and there you'll see an option called convert image. Tap on convert image and now choose JPG. After you choose JPEG, you're basically good to go. Convert it and then that is basically how you do it. And that is how you can convert your PNG to JPG in iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.